Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and I'm making a video on how to do the insider's look in the human body. So I'm in the Science 7 Schoology page. I'm going to come down to Human Body Unit. I'm going to go to Human Body Introduction and the Insider's Look Reading and Response. So when I get here, I have two PDFs. One of these you're going to have on paper. The other one's going to be well, I think I printed it for you guys. So this is a basic overview of the 11 body systems, starting with the integumentary system, and it goes through each of the 11 systems here. Just kind of an overview of the systems. So you'll read that, and then this is the student response, and this is what you're going to turn in. I'm sorry. This is what you're going to turn in. So let's kind of go through this a little bit because I do get a lot of questions for this part. So it says, answer the following questions using the reading. There are 11 systems of the body. List those systems. So the systems would be listed here, and then come up with a mnemonic device to remember the 11 systems. This is kind of a fun activity. It's not meant to stress you guys out. Remember, a mnemonic device is like the one used for levels of classification. King Philip came over for good spaghetti, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. I'm sure you've probably heard one for the planets. PEMDAS, or please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, for math, is another mnemonic device. So basically you'll have all of the different systems, and you're just going to assign a word to every one of those. It might take a minute, so you might want to skip to 2 and come back to 1. As a matter of fact, let me see if I can pull one up from last year. Hold on. Okay, so I found one from last year. It says, Dr. Robert ran under Callie's erudite sign. Nevertheless, I miss Larry. And that's using the first letter of all of the different systems. You can, in my opinion, you can write all the systems down, and then you can put them in any order that you want them to be. So number 2 says, how are the circulatory, respiratory, and lymphatic systems related to each other? Be specific. Again, you're going to want to go back to this article so that you can answer that question. Number 3 says the small intestine is over 30 feet in length. Why do you think the small intestine is so long? Think about the job, what its job in the body is before you write your answer. So you'll go back here and you'll look up what it talks about for the digestive system, probably up here somewhere. I see respiratory, circulatory, lymphatic, endocrine. There's digestive system. So take a look and see what the job is of the small intestine. You put your hand on a hot stove in your kitchen and immediately pull back your hand and avoid getting burned too badly. Where do you think the message will go first? So that's also going to be in here. I would probably look here for that. Name 5 other organs that aren't listed in this reading and give their functions. So there are lots of organs listed here. The stomach, the esophagus, the bladder. It wants you to use this question. It wants you to find 5 organs that aren't listed in this article. I don't think it lists the spleen. I'm not sure it lists the appendix. So there's a couple, and you'll have to put the functions there. Number 6 says, what would happen if the skeletal system of your body was absent? Give at least 3 examples. So tell me 3 things that would happen if all of a sudden you had no bones at all. And then on page 2, it says, use the graphic organizer in the previous reading to identify each system associated with the reading. The first one's been started for you. So it starts with the integumentary system, and then it starts listing all of the different organs and structures. That's from right here. Okay, so it talks about, or not right there, I'm sorry, right here. So it talks about the skin, the hair, the nails, the 3 layers, the dermis, the epidermis, the fatty layer, all of that. And that's what they want listed here. Okay, and then you'll do the next system. So after integumentary, it looks like it goes to muscular system. So you could do like the bicep or the quadriceps, that kind of thing. Okay. And you'll do that for each of the 11 systems, and then you'll turn this in. Please let me know if you have any questions.